Hey folks, this is Adam, and today we're going to be looking at polyphenols. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably already know about their health benefits, but we're going to cover that a little bit here in a moment. We're also going to help you pick the best polyphenol supplement on the market. We try to make it easy for you to make good decisions with which supplements are right for you. So let's go ahead and kick it off right now. So first off, what are polyphenols? Polyphenols are micronutrients that we get through certain plant-based foods. They're packed with antioxidants and potential health benefits. It's thought that polyphenols can improve or help treat digestive issues, weight management difficulties, diabetes, neurodegenerative disease, and cardiovascular disease. So there's a couple criteria that I wanted. I wanted powder form for my red polyphenol that just digests easier. I want it made in the USA. I want it non-GMO. I want it vegan. I want a 90-day warranty, and I want a good customer service. So what does that bring us to? Well, it's Dr. KaraMD Revive Reds. This is the top supplement in the industry when it comes to a powder form of your polyphenol reds.